Hello students, welcome to our channel, Grade 9 Geography Unit 1 Tutorials. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Lesson 2, Scope of Geography. Geography is a vast and fascinating subject that explores the Earth and its diverse features. The scope of geography refers to the range of topics it covers, including both natural and human elements. This lesson outlines the scope of geography, explaining what it studies, why it matters, and how it helps us understand our world. The scope of geography is incredibly broad because it encompasses a wide range of topics. It studies physical features like mountains, rivers, oceans, and weather patterns, as well as human activities such as urbanization, trade, and economies. Over time, the scope of geography has evolved as new discoveries and technologies emerge. Geography examines 5 key areas: the hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and anthroposphere. Hydrosphere. It includes all the bodies of water, i.e., oceans, rivers, lakes, and others. Biosphere refers to all living organisms in and on the Earth's surface. Atmosphere. It includes all aspects of air composition surrounding our planet. Lithosphere. It is the solid layer of rocks that covers the entire surface of the planet. Anthroposphere. It is the part of the environment that is made or modified by humans. These areas allow geographers to explore the interconnected systems of the Earth and understand how they work together. One major focus of geography is the Earth's position in the universe and its movements. Geographers study how the Earth rotates and orbits the Sun, which affects day, night, and seasons. They also examine physical features like mountains, valleys, and rivers, exploring what causes them and how they change over time. For instance, geographers investigate why earthquakes occur or how rivers carve landscapes. This helps us predict natural events and understand their impact on the environment. Additionally, geography explores the biosphere, studying plants, animals, and ecosystems, and how they adapt to different environments. Geography also investigates human interactions with the environment. It looks at how people shape nature through activities like farming, building cities, or mining, and how nature influences human life through events like floods, droughts, or hurricanes. For example, geographers study how deforestation affects climate or how urban growth impacts natural resources. This human-environment relationship is crucial for addressing global challenges like climate change, pollution, and sustainable development. Another important aspect of geography is the study of the atmosphere and weather patterns. Geographers analyze why some regions are hot and dry while others are cold and wet, and how these patterns affect life on Earth. They also study the lithosphere, examining rocks, soil, and minerals to understand how landforms like hills, valleys, and plains are formed. By studying these natural systems, geography helps us learn how the Earth's surface has been shaped over millions of years. Human activities such as trade, industry, and transportation are also a key part of geography's scope. Geographers explore how these activities impact the environment, such as through pollution or habitat destruction, and how they shape societies and economies. For example, They might study how global trade affects local communities or how industrialization contributes to environmental changes. This helps us find ways to balance human needs with environmental protection. Modern technology has greatly expanded geography's scope. Tools like computers, global positioning systems (GPS), and geographic information systems (GIS) allow geographers to collect and analyze data more effectively. GIS, for instance, helps create detailed maps showing population growth, forest cover, or urban expansion. These tools improve the accuracy of geographic studies and help solve real-world problems such as urban planning, disaster management, or conserving natural resources. In summary, the scope of geography is wide and dynamic, covering the Earth's physical features, living organisms, and human activities. It studies the hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and anthroposphere to understand how they interact. Geography examines the Earth's position in the universe, its landforms, weather patterns, and human-environment relationships. Using tools like GPS and GIS, geographers create maps and analyze data to address global challenges. As a holistic subject, geography connects diverse ideas to deepen our understanding of the planet and guide us toward a sustainable future. Now, let's have a look at the review questions. Question 1. What is the scope of geography? Answer. The scope of geography refers to the range of topics it covers, including the Earth's physical features, living organisms, and human activities and their interactions. Question 2. What are the 5 spheres of the Earth studied by geographers? Answer. The 5 spheres of the Earth studied by geographers are the hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and anthroposphere. Question 3. Explain how the lithosphere and hydrosphere interact. Answer. The lithosphere and hydrosphere interact through groundwater and surface water systems. Water from the hydrosphere seeps into the lithosphere, becoming groundwater, and the lithosphere's topography and composition influence how water flows across it, forming rivers and affecting water circulation. Question 4. Why is the study of weather and climate important in geography? Answer. Weather and climate are crucial in geography because they significantly impact living things and human societies. Understanding how weather and climate patterns form and distribute globally helps geographers study the interactions between humans and the environment. Question 5. How does the scope of geography contribute to solving real-world problems? Answer. The scope of geography allows us to understand the complex interactions and patterns on Earth. This understanding helps in solving real-world problems like managing natural resources, planning cities, and understanding climate change by studying various spheres of the Earth and their interactions. So now you know what is the scope of geography. In the next lesson, we will learn about the branches of geography. If you liked this video, hit the like button below and comment. Thank you and best of luck for your exams.